How to create or assign public folder in Office 365. First, log into Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Show All, scroll down and click on Exchange. Exchange Admin Center opens. On left sidebar, click on Public Folders. Here you can see there is no existing public folders available. Before we create any public folder, we need to create Public Folder Mailbox. So first select the Public Folder Mailboxes tab. Click on Add a Public Folder Mailbox. Enter a name for the mailbox and click on the Add button. Public Folder Mailbox successfully created. Here, by clicking on the mailbox, you can see its usages and further details. Now click on Public Folders tab. Click on Add a Public Folder. Enter a name for the folder and click on the Add button. Public folder successfully created. To edit general settings of this public folder, simply click on the folder name. Here you can edit general details. Let's select the Mail Enabled checkbox and click on the Save button. You can see many other tabs appear. You can see the tabs one by one and can set up the settings as per your needs. Now I will show you how to assign permissions for your public folders. First, click on Root Permissions. Click on Add Permissions. In the Select User field, select your Office 365 email address or any other user which you want to assign permission. In the Permission Level field, select the permission level you want to assign. In the Permission Options field, select the options which you want to assign for the user. Finally, click on the Save Changes button. Folder permissions successfully assigned.